Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Dwayne says it's up to social media to decide what they want to hear. If they want to hear Mixup, it's up to them. And that is true. Whatever they want to hear, they will look for. Whatever people want to hear, they will search for. Whatever they want to hear, they'll be interested in. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so that when I post, you know. Have a wonderful day.
I'm not letting it go. I am not letting it go. Me, myself, listen, but if my own team, my own side and God's side, it is up to social media. It is up to social media to decide. It is up to social media to decide what they're hearing, if they want to hear it or not. You understand? I can't tell you guys what you want to listen to. It's up to you. If you like what you hear, you speak as you like what you hear. If you don't like what you hear, on a talk on the mind on the damn comments. As simple as that. I feel like you, Dwight Roden. I don't know you. I've never seen you on my page before, and I feel like you are somewhat getting a little bit disrespectful. Are you? Do I need to block you? Joy Palmer, I have no problems blocking you too. Let me make it quite clear. I have no problems blocking you too. You understand? I keep on telling people are always going to come. Big up Sharon, people business with them, people business. You know what? I'm a block you. I'm a block you, Joy. You can hold a block. Bye, Joy. Who else? I'm a block the other one who said KMT2. Let me go find that crosses. Where are they? No chances. No chances. We're not running down no clout over here. People business and people business only. Nick, you can hold a block too. Take your followers and run along. Bye. Bye. Who else wants to be blocked? So, yes, you can hold a block too. What are you doing here then? If you're not here for people's business, what are you doing here? Get off. People business and people business only. Bye. Bye. I see what you people are trying to do. You're trying so hard to derail me, right? It is not going to happen. It is not going to happen. Hear me and hear me well. It is not going to happen. Anything them dash up and down on me like me, I dash it out back to. Anything they put out on Donna and I like it, I'm going to dash it out too. Understand? I'm going to dash it out to start a damn conversation over here too. Oh no. I mean, I alone in the dark room. Just me, myself, and I am my shadow. Social media has no loyalty. Zero. Numero zero loyalty. I am supposed to. The conversation is about her. I'm flinging her name in there. Kendall, do you want to be blocked? Do you want using Donna's name for stars? Has anyone given me stars, Kendall? Do you see any stars? On a stop, give me stars. Stop giving me stars. Me still have a chat, Donna. And Kendall, say one more thing I don't like. I'm gonna block you too. Without Donna's name, you don't have it. Really? You think so? Hold on. Was my live earlier? What's that about, Donna? Wasn't that about Lorraine and Ashanti and Maxine? I got almost 7K views on that video. You can hold a motherfucking block too. You crazy ass motherfucker. Get off. You and Ola Una and Donna can chat till God come and still have a talk. Donna, keep on sending them out. The way she's still gonna talk. The way she's still gonna fling up by your good girl. Mr. Like a dash it out. Send them, then I send them. Send them. Be mad. Be mad all you want. People are still gonna talk. The streets is still talking. The streets is still talking on Donna. And I'm dashing it out too. I'm having a conversation over here too. And I don't care who don't like it. You understand? I don't care which one I don't like it. If you don't want ear come off, lock on the ears, put the cotton bud down the ears hole, put some cotton buds in your ear hole, put some earplugs in your ear hole. You won't hear it. You understand? Put some what? Earplugs in your eardrum. You perhaps won't hear it. Or hear what? Block my page. You won't see it. You won't hear it. Block me. I am imploring you to block me. You won't hear it. Let the ones who wants to hear sit over here and hear it. But people social media hotter than a Scotch bonnet pepper. Mighty God. What a piece of mix-up. Hey, you know what I've realized? These people are making it seem like I hate this woman. I don't hate her. Listen, the streets is talking. The streets is talking. The streets is talking. The social media streets are talking about Donna, Marine, Gal, and me Adashitot. You understand? I'm not mad. I don't hate her. Please don't get it misconstrued. Yes, I'm very crazy. My family loves me, though. My family... You want to be blocked too? Veronica, do you want to be blocked too? Talk now, speak now, or forever hold your peace. Speak now or forever... You know what I realized? You know what I realized with some of you hypocrite people? When people are speaking nice about her over here, they don't have a problem. But the minute people are dashing things out on her, they can't comment and this is my page. This is my page. Dwayne Dewisha, aka Trending Drama, aka me. Bad gal Dewisha, me. My page. If you don't want to hear, come off. Yes, let the live drop. Get off the live. Get off the live. If you don't want to hear, get off the live. Understand? Anyway, people, the streets have been talking.